Question 8 of this review sheet is then looking at this whole quadratic and moving it by this vector. A couple of ways of doing this. I think the simplest way is just to replace all of these letters by the transformation. So y needs to move 3 up, so we're going to write a y minus 3 there. And then the x, that's going to move 6 to the left, so I want to put an x plus 6 there. And same thing there, I'm going to write an x plus 6 there as well. Now I'm going to have to multiply all of that out, so I've got x squared plus 12x plus 36, multiplying that bracket, 8 of those as well, and we add 3 on the end, and so altogether now I've got an x squared, I've got 20 x's there, and all of these numbers here then, so I've got 36, there's another 6 there, that's 42, and that makes 90. So I've got x squared plus 20, x plus 90. Just say another way of doing this might be to look at this and try and think what would it be in its completed the square form. And in its completed the square form, I'm getting x plus 4 all squared minus 13. And so I've got a minimum point here at minus 4 minus 13. Now, when we move that minimum point by that vector, so we're moving it 6 to the left makes this minus 10, and 3 up makes that also minus 10. So our minimum now is going to be minus 10, minus 10. Let's move back up and find out where would that be. So that's an x plus 10 all squared minus 10. And of course that would be x squared plus 20x plus 100 minus the 10. And of course that gives you exactly the same answer. So this way doing it algebraically, this way thinking about where the minimum point changes to, and both ways give that same answer there.